what we're looking at on the screen is the serial window for a gas detector that I have hooked to the Arduino. This is the MQ2 gas detector. Unfortunately, when I started this project, I thought I was going to be testing for natural gas. However, it turned out that that's the MQ5 gas detector, so lesson learned there. And so I'm going to be testing it with butane gas instead. And let's look over here and see what we got. So what we have here is the MQ2 gas detector, and I've hooked it up to the breadboard, and I've also hooked up one of the two buzzers that we have that comes with the Arduino starter kit. I've taken my Arduino starter kit, I've bought one of these little handy dandy boxes that allows me to be able to separate a lot of the parts that were there, and then I just use the original starter kit box for the wires and the resistors and the LEDs. Gives me a little bit more organization that's there. So over here, what we've got is the everything hooked to the Arduino, and then I have two LEDs, a green LED and a red LED. That was just my choice. You can use any one color that you wanted. The green is like go, everything's okay, and the red is like, hey, you've got some sort of gas leak going on, that's there. And so it's all hooked into the MQ. I'll leave some specs for the MQ on there. And so we're gonna do a quick test here using the butane lighter, and let's hope I don't set it ablaze. That's one of the problems here with this particular lighter, is you've gotta like okay, had to blow the flame out there. Now we can see that the red LED is lit. Unfortunately, the only way to stop this is to blow on it to give it some fresh air. Otherwise, it's still detecting the gas. That was one of the issues I ran across in testing this, is I couldn't understand why it was still reading gas when the gas thing was away, so I had to give it a little bit fresh air. And that also came with having to adjust the potentiometer. It has a potentiometer for its sensitivity. And so initially when I set this up, it took me quite a while to figure out what was going on, and had to readjust the potentiometer. Hence, that's where the serial window came in, is trying to adjust it. However, though, what I found was there's a great YouTube video where this guy goes through actually calibrating the gas sensor itself, and so I'll post that link in there. And that's really been about it. This is Clarence Mitchell.